Are you like this middle-aged man? Do you find it hard getting it up and keeping it up? Does it go down on its own when you're not finished? Then you need no, not Viagra. I mean you might, but not for this job, no. You need these replacement gas struts, cheap and easy to fit. You may need someone to help take the weight of the boot. You will need a small screwdriver to remove the metal clip holding the struts to the vehicle. I hate to be the one to say it, but I did tell you so. Removing the old strut is the hard part. Discard of the old strut and the new strut just pushes straight on, nice and easy. Now go and test your new struts. Do they work okay? Excellent. As you like to say, Matt, happy days. My job is done. Please like and subscribe. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.